Jai Hind students, again welcome in live class. Students, previous class we have discussed exercise 7b till question number 20. Today students we will discuss question number 21. So let's start from question number 21. Question number 21 is given 3x minus 4y whole square minus 25z square. Students, everyone can see 3x minus 4y whole square minus 25z square. 3x minus 4y whole square, it is the form of a square, minus 25z square, it is a form of b square. No beta, this is the z square, but 25 it is not a square. So we will just find if value is not given a square, so we can find that it is this value is the form of any one square here. So what we are getting? 25 the square of 5. 5 into 5, 25. So students, 3x minus 4y whole square minus 5z whole square. Students, what we have done? 3x minus 4y whole square, 3x minus 4y whole square, it is the form of a square, minus 25z square, it is not in b square form because z is already square, but 25 it is not in square. So what we will do? 25 is the square of any other value. Yes, it is the other value is the 5. 5 square it is the 25. So 5 square and z square, what we will get? 5z whole square. Now students, we are getting here, we have got this is form of a square minus this is form of b square. So we can use a square minus b square, the identity is a plus b and a minus b. So we will write here by using identities, by using identities, a square minus b square equal a plus b, then a minus b. So what we are getting here? A square is the 3x minus 4y whole square minus b square, it is the 5z whole square. So what we have got? Now a value is the in form of binomial. So 3x minus 4y whole square plus b square is the 5z whole square. Similar, so how we will write students? Sorry, this is not in square because this is already given in square. So we will write here a plus b, then a minus b. So a is the 3x minus 4y minus b is the 5z. So students, what we can see here? Now continue, open the bracket, 3x minus 4y plus 5z, and here 3x minus 4y minus 5z. So students can see here what we have done, 3x minus 4y whole square is given minus 25z square. So 25 it is the 5 square, 5z whole square. Now we have got here a square minus b square. So what should identities here we can use? By using identities is a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. 3x minus 4y whole square plus minus 5z whole square equal a square minus b square. So what we will write? A plus b. A is the 3x minus 4y plus b is the 5z. Similar, 3x minus 4y minus 5z. 3x minus 4y plus 5z we have written, 3x minus 4y minus 5z. Now what we can do? We can do after that? No. Now it is your okay answer because all the variables are not same, all the different. Here also all the variables not same, all different. So we cannot add them, we cannot subtract them. So it will be your final answer. Okay students, now note it down. This is question number 21. Now students, question number 22, this is a little bit different. Question number 22, everyone see. Here given x square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. What we can do here? Hope everyone noted. X square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. Students, how we can do? First of all, we will see any value is common here. X square minus y square minus 2y minus 1. No any value is common here. Clear, students? We can use identities now. X square minus y square we can use. But if you will in bracket, just now x square minus y square and minus 2y, the sign will change plus 1. What we can do now? X square minus y square, the form is x plus y and x minus y minus 2y plus 1. Students, now after that we cannot take anything common here, not we can solve it. So, not we can use as a grouping of this one, and not we can use as a identities. So, what we can do, students, means till here whatever we have done, it is not clear to this question. So, just think about what I am doing here. Just see everyone. X square we have taken as a this way, and this we have made here group. This sign will change 2y plus 1. Students, now just identify which identities we are using here, which identities of expanded form. We can see here x square is given, okay, minus y square plus 1 square, a square plus b square. So, what will be 2ab plus 2 multiply a that is y, b just like a 1. Students, again I am telling, see here y square plus 2y plus 1. So, y square we have written like a square plus 1 square we have written like 1 b square, clear, plus 2y, you know 2ab. So, 2 multiply a value is y, b value is 1. What you will get? Only 2y. It means a square plus 2ab plus b square. So, it is the form of a plus b whole square, because all the value in plus. So, we are getting here, so a value is here, y and b value is a 1. So, y plus 1 whole square, y plus 1 whole square. You can see also y plus 1 whole square, y square plus 1 square plus 2a multiply b. The same form we have got here, we have converted this one of this form. So, now we will write x square minus this one y plus 1 whole square. So, students, you can see here it is the form of a square minus it is the form of b square. By using identities, a square minus b square equal a plus b and a minus b. Clear, students? So, x square minus y plus 1 whole square, it is the form of a square, it is the form of b square equal a as a x plus b like a y plus 1. So, y plus 1 we will write. Similar, a that is x minus b just like a y plus 1. Clear, students? Now, students, see here equal x, now open the bracket, x plus y plus 1. Before bracket they have plus sign, so then sign will not change, but here minus here then sign will change, x minus Sign is a minus, so sign plus will be minus. Now this answer will become x plus y plus 1 and x minus y minus 1. So student, note it down. Question number 22. Question number 23 now, students. Clear? Question number 23. We are same like students. This is 25 minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. Now everyone got it? First of all, complete. Hope everyone done. (25) minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. 25 is the square of 5 square. It is a separate we have done. Minus, we are just making a group in the bracket. Just we are writing. Everyone identified. Can you identify this? It is the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what we can write? This is identities. A plus b whole square. 5 is already we have got in square minus a plus b whole square. It means now we have got the form of a square minus b square. So now when we have got here a square minus b square, then we can use the identities is a square minus b square. By using identities, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So 5 square minus a plus b whole square equal 5 as a like a same we will write minus, only b is here, so plus we will write because sign is plus. So a value is 5 and this one is the b. So place of b we will write the a plus b. A plus b. Similar, a is 5 minus a plus b. Open the bracket here, 5 plus is sign, so sign will not change. A plus b. Here 5 minus a minus b, then 5 minus bracket before is minus is here, so this sign will change minus b. So what will be answer? 5 plus a plus b and 5 minus a minus b. What we have done? 25 minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. What we done here? 25 we can see here, this is the form of 5 square minus this is we have, when we have done in bracket we can get here, this is the identities. Which identities? A plus b whole square. So by using identities, because we have got here a square minus this is form of the b square. This is b square, this is a square. So a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. So 5 square minus a plus b whole square, that is a place of a we will write 5 plus b as a plus b. Similar, a is the 5 minus this is the a plus b. So now 5 plus, open the bracket, a plus b, 5 minus, when we open here bracket, before it minus sign, so this sign will be changed, a minus b. So what will be answer? 5 plus a plus b and 5 minus a minus b. It will be your answer. Student, noted down everyone. Now question number 24, students. (24) is given 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. Done everyone? Students, 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c square. So, there are the three terms, it is in square form. First of all, we will do the in square form. 25a square, 25 is the square of 5, 5a whole square minus 4b whole square, that is 4 is the square of 2, 2b whole square plus 28bc minus 49c square, that means 7c whole square. So, what we have done, students, 5a whole square minus 2b whole square plus 28bc minus 7c whole square. 7 square of 49, so 7c whole square we have taken, and 4b square, that is 2b whole square, and 25a square, that is 5a whole square. Students, now what we can do here, 5a whole square it is okay, but 2b square plus 28bc and 7c whole square. We can see here this is from a b and c, this is like a 2ab. So, b and c, that means b and c. So, now we just getting here, this is the form of 2ab, this is a square, this is b square. So, students, 5a whole square minus within a bracket 2b whole square, the sign will minus 28bc, this sign will be plus 7c whole square. Now, students, what we can see here, 5a whole square, this is already a square, minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, we will convert into the minus 2ab. 5a whole square minus 2b whole square minus 28, like a 2 multiply, the a is 2b we will write, multiplies b square, b is a 7c plus 7c whole square. Students, we can see here 2 2 is a 4 and 4 7 is a 28, 28 b into c, that is bc. So, now we have got 2abc and a square, that is b square. So, we have got the format of a square plus b square minus 2ab. So, it is the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, it is the a minus b whole square. So, a is the this form and b form. Okay. Similar, 2b whole square, a square, 7c whole square, that is b square minus 2 into a, this one is b. So, what we can write? We can write this way, a minus b whole square. So, what we will write, a minus b whole square, 5a whole square, it is okay, minus 2b, that is a, 2b minus 7c whole square, 2b minus 7c whole square you will write. Now, students, we have got a square minus b square. So, by using identities, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. 5a whole square minus 2b minus 7c whole square. So, what we can write here? 5a a place plus 2b minus 7c. Second one, students, 5a minus 2b minus 7c. Now, when you open the bracket here, so what we will get? 5a plus 2b minus 7c. Sign will not change because there is a plus sign, and here 5a minus is here, sign will change, 2b plus 7c. It will be your answer, students. So 25a square, 5a whole square. This one we have done bracket. So what we have got, a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. Now we have used the identities a square minus b square, a plus b and a minus b. A square 5a whole square, b square 2b minus 7c whole square. So a place 5a and b place 2b minus 7c. Both places we will write plus and minus. Now open the bracket, 5a plus 2b minus 7c, 5a minus 2b, because there the outside is minus, means before bracket, so sign will change in bracket. So plus 7c will come. Students, note it down even 24 question number. After that 25 students. 25. Question number 25 is given 9a square minus b square plus 4b and minus 4. You can here there is given 9a square minus b square plus 4b minus 4. Now students, what you will do here, because this is also previous sums. Nine a whole square, we know 3a whole square minus b square plus 4b minus 2 square. We can understand here this is a form of 2ab. This is a form of 2ab. But how we will do this? 2ab. So here not a. If not a is here, so we will not take this value. So what we will take? This complete value. So first of all, we will do in group. 3a whole square in bracket when we will do here. B square is minus outside. So sign will change, minus 4b and plus 2 square. Now everyone can see here a square and b square minus 2ab. First we will change it. It is form of a 2ab or not? B square minus 2ab, 2 multiply b. 2a, that is this is form of a, and b should be what? 4b is here, 2b, then 2 multiply, then we will get the 4b, and already here given b square is 2 square. So a square, b square minus 2ab. Now we have got the format of a minus b whole square. So we will write here 3a whole square minus b minus 2 whole square. Clear? 3a whole square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square. So it is the form of a minus b whole square. So this is b minus 2 whole square. Now by using identities, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. What should we write? 3a whole square minus b minus 2 whole square equal. A value is 3a plus b value is b minus 2. Similar, a value is 3a minus b minus 2. Now open the bracket students. 3a plus b minus 2. Sign is plus sign, so sign will not change. Here 3a minus, the sign is minus here, then sign will change, b plus 2. 3a plus b minus 2 and 3a minus b plus 2. This value will come students. So students, note it down, 25 question number. Now next question 26. Question number 26 is given 100 minus x minus 5 whole square. 26 100 minus x minus 5 whole square. Should we note it down? Yes, everyone noted. Now students, it is also same here. 100, that is the tan whole square minus x minus 5 whole square. So now everyone understood. We have got here tan whole square, that is a square minus this is form of b square. So by using identities, a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Tan whole square minus x minus 5 whole square equal tan is the a and b is the x minus 5. So here tan plus x minus 5 and tan minus x minus 5. Students, here we will open the bracket. Tan plus x minus 5 and tan minus, sign will not change because this is plus sign. So we have not changed here, but here we will change minus x plus 5. Students, here we will see where is the thing here. This is numeric value, is this numeric value. So tan minus 5. So what value will come? 5 equal 5 plus x. Here tan plus 5, 15, because they are plus sign. It will be add 15 minus x. It will be your answer. So note it down. Question number 27. This is the form is given the evaluate. 27 is given. This is evaluate 405 whole square and 395 whole square. 405 whole square minus 395 whole square. Students, now you have understood how you will do here a square minus b square. You will use the directly here by using identities. We have written a square minus, this is a form of a and this is form of b. So by using identities, a square minus b square, then a plus b and a minus b. So what we can write, students, here, a place of a we will write the 405 whole square minus 395 whole square. So what value will come? A value is 405, so 405 we will write, plus b is the 395, so 395 we will write. Then a minus b, 405 minus 395. Students, when you will plus it, because they are plus sign, 5, 5, 10, 9 plus 1, 10, and 4 plus 3, 7, 1, 8, 800. Again 405 plus 395, 5, 5, 10, and 8 here. Then minus here into 5, 5, 405, there are 5, 5, 0, and 10, because you can see here 405. Students, I am writing here 405 and 395. What we are doing? Minus 0, 10 and 9, 1, only 10 will come. Clear? So what will write? 10. So what answer will be here? 800 minus 10. What answer will come? 8,000. 8,000. Okay, students? Question number now last is, but we will discuss this example. Example second, because last you will do yourself. Each and every sums we have told here, every sum we have discussed here, but in the last, basis on the example we will discuss. So see everyone, example of this exercise, the last 8.6 whole square, example 5. Example 5 second. There is given 8.6 whole square minus 1.4 whole square. By using, you can see here, this is the A and this one is B. So A is the 8.6 and B is the 1.4. So same here, by using identities, A square minus B square, 8.6 whole square minus 1.4 whole square equal 8.6, it is the A, so place of A we will write 8.6 plus B is the 1.4, so 1.4 we will write. Similar, 8.6 minus 8.4, 8.6 and 1.4, 6 plus 4, 10, 819 plus 10, 10.0, multiply 6 minus 4 that 2 and 8 minus 1 that is 7, 7.2. Students, also you can see here 8.6 and 1.4, 6 plus 4, 10, we are adding 8 plus 1, 10, 8 plus 1, 9 and 9 plus 1 that is we are getting from here value, clear, and 8.6 minus 1.4, then 6 minus 4, 2, 8 minus 1 that is 7, 7.2. Now 7.2 multiply 10, so one place decimal is here, only 72 will come. Students, now note it down. Hope everyone students understood what we have told. Approx we have discussed all the questions from 21 to 28, and this is the last question, but we have discussed only example. So students, now you have to complete of this exercise on your notebook, clear students, and also be practice better, and everyone should be present, clear students, and we just knowing that you all are practicing at your home. Now students, next class we will discuss its first and second identities. Identities here we are using here, they all identities we have used in this exercise, a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, and a square minus b square. Similar, we will use next exercise all the identities. Next exercise is 7C, clear? So you have to learn and also try to, first of all, not try, you have to complete this one and try to its example of 7C. Clear students? So students, I am leaving class. Hope everyone fine. Thank you students and Jai Hind.